Hello friends. In today video I am going to discuss to how to create an instance through CLI. Earlier videos I showed you how to create an instance through GUI through console, but in this video I am going to discuss about how to create an instance through CLI command line. So for that we have to install some tools. First is the pip tools, that is uh, that is inbound in Python only. So we have to install the Python first. So you have to go to python.org. Here you can go to download and you can download the latest version of Python. So now you can see that setup is there. We have to double click on that and to install it. Uh, you have to remember that at the installation time you have to check this checkbox that add Python 3.8 to path. What it will do, it will add the path in that environment variables. So you have to check this one and you have to click on install now. So after installation of Python, now we can check in command prompt that it's installed or not. You can type here Python and you can see here it's showing the version and everything for Python. Now we can check that pip tool is installed or not. It's also not throwing any error. Now we are going to install that AWS CLI through that pip. So that command is pip install. First you can type AWS and check it is installed or not. So it's not showing any installation. Now you can install that AWS CLI. That command is pip install AWS CLI. Now you can see it's downloading and installing. So it's got installed now. You can see that all installation has been done. Now we can check that AWS. Okay. So now that AWS CLI tool also installed. Now that through command line we don't know which account need to log in. So for that we have to configure my AWS account here to create an instance. So for that command is AWS configure. So now you can see that it's asking for AWS access key ID. So now you can go to your that AWS account. You have to log in there and you have to click here and you have to go to my security credential. Here you will get that file where that all the details are there. You can see it is it's showing that 15th April. I think I have already downloaded that one. Yeah, this is the file. So you can open that. There you will get all the details which you need to enter here. Yeah, it's got open now. So you can see here this is access key ID. You can copy it. You can paste it here, press enter. Now it is asking for AWS secret access key. That's also available here. Need to copy and paste it. It's asking for reason. So now generally you can create an account in North Virginia region. So you can take that region only, no problem, or else you can change also. So by default it's taking US East one. So I'm not going to change this. Press enter. Now it is asking for default output format. That's also not required. You can press enter. So now your AWS account got logged in here. So now you can go to console and you can check here in that EC2 that is there any instance which is already running or not. So you can see here that no instance is in running state. One is there, but that is stopped already. So now I am going to create that instance through CLI. So that command is AWS EC2 run hyphen instance hyphen hyphen. Here you have to give the image ID. So image ID we have to go here to get it. That I'm not going to create an instance through GUI, but only for that image ID. See, this is the image ID. So you can take for any whatever you want to create. So I'm taking this one only. You can copy it and paste it here. So this is your image ID for that instance, Linux instance. Now you have to give instance type. So usually we are taking T2 micro for that free tier. You know already. See that T2 micro. So you have to mention here T2 micro. If you want to create for cost one, you can select another one T2 medium, T2 small. So here I am going to take T2 micro. Now how many instance we want to create. So for that we have to give the count here. So I'm just going to create one account, one instance. So I'm giving one. So now you can enter it after doing this. See, it, it didn't throws any error and it's successfully run. Now you can go to your EC2 dashboard and you can check there any instance is creating or not. So you can see here one instance is creating. It's showing in pending state. It will take some time to create it. So this is how we can create that in instances through AWS CLI. And one more option is there that is AWS Shell. So that one also you can use. That also we have to install. First you can check it is installed or not. No, it's showing not recognized. So again we have to install it. Pip install AWS Shell. See, it is installing. Meanwhile, you can check that your instance is ready or not. See, I didn't given any security group and details there. So it's taking default security group and all default VPC and other thing, default subnet also. So whatever, if you want to select any particular security group, you have to give that security group ID there. So it will take that security group. See that AWS shell is installed now. Now you can see. first time it got run, so it's creating some autocomplete indexing. So you can see now it's got run now. So here what is the best thing means when you type, it will give you suggestion. See, if you type EC2, so it's giving the suggestion to you, run instances. So this is, see, you can see here, all will come. So this is the benefit for that AWS shell. You can create through this also, or you can create directly through that also. Okay guys, so that's all. Like this you can create through that in AWS instance, EC2 instance through CLI mode. Okay, thank you, goodbye.